I'm Brice Lacrampette, TechnipFMC country manager in Namibia. Actually, it's a very good question. I mean, as TechnipFMC, we do believe that early engagement is key, not only with our clients, operators, but with stakeholders of the country, with NOC, with regulators. So that's why we came here early in advance to the first oil. And the idea was to know great the country and prepare ourselves and pave the way for the projects to come. So you talk about NIEC and UNAM. That's great. I mean, we are proud of this partnership we got with both of them. Actually, we developed last year a subsidiary class with NIEC. The idea was to try to transfer our knowledge and experience about these deepwater projects. And we got a class of 25 students, 51% for female, 49% male, sorry. And we split this course about discovering what is an overview of oil and gas industry, subsea production system, subsea infrastructure, subsea umbilical risers and flow line. And at the end, we did project management courses, and we did a subsea project challenge that was a great success with a team, and especially one guy that did a very good job. And we are proud to say that this guy now is part of TechnipFMC. As TechnipFMC, we try to be synchronized with the market. And today, clearly, the target is Venus. I think all the industry, all the economy, and the ecosystem is waiting for this FID. So we hope that operators, authorities, will find a way to get this FID, but I mean, we are waiting. Talking about the workload, what we discover in Namibia is the ecosystem is already there. I mean, it's a nascent country for oil and gas, but not for fishing, not for mining. So when going to Valleys Bay, we can see that we have some very strong suppliers, and we are starting working with them, discussing with them, and we can see that some of them are ready to go. Some others need to raise the standard to reach the one of oil and gas, but I'm pretty sure that with the first project to come, the local industry will manage to get this level, and we will help them. As I said at the beginning, early engagement, and especially with clients, is key, because this is where we can work smarter, try to reduce the risk, reduce interfaces, find the best cost visibility as well. For them and for us is very important. And we have as well, so you talk about IAPCI, but we have as well what we call Subsea 2.0, is a standardization of our equipment. And this gives predictability. We can reduce life cycle of this equipment. We can anticipate manufacturing stuff. So that's very good for our clients. And it's new basin, such as Namibia, where you can see, like, for example, Venus is 3,000 meter water depth. It's huge. The maturation condition could be harsh as well. Be able to provide this kind of solution that's reducing risk and even predictability is key for our client. I mean, this is our philosophy as TechnipFMC. This is clearly what we did in Guyana and Suriname as well. We want to come earlier, and as I said at the beginning, to know better the country. But at the same time, we want to develop our workforce. For what we plan to do in Namibia is mainly subsea production system, okay, SPS. And to do that, we're going to have a service base in Valleys Bay. And the idea is to fill the service base with our local employee. So that's why, and that was my mission in Namibia, it was to try and building this workforce. We start first with trainings. So we got more than 15 Namibians that we hired through our local partners, Petrofund, that help us to select CVs. And then we send those guys in our facilities in Angola to be trained 6 months. And then we hire them. Now those guys are working in our bases in Nigeria, Ghana, and Angola as well. And they're ready to support projects in Namibia. Some of them are currently offshore supporting shell activities. So we are very proud of that. And we have another program that is called Graduate Engineering Program in Paris. We send those guys, 5 of them, 1.5 years in Paris to discover what we are doing in engineering, what we are doing in project and tendering. And then the final 6 months was specialization of the jobs they're going to have here in Namibia. They just freshly go back. You can find some of them hanging around here. And I mean, so back to your question, it's very important to build this workforce to be able to support Namibian project with Namibians and for Namibia. So if you attend the NIEC this week, maybe you can clearly feel this kind of wheel of change. There is like a momentum. All the industry is there. You can see all the operators are there coming with VPs, SVPs. You can see all the international company like us coming with VPs, SVPs. So there is something coming. So I hope that for the country, for our industry, that authorities and operators will soon find alignment. And I think it's going on. But clearly, this is a country where you can invest safely.